Hi, this is Dave with the Dent Doubles, just showing everyone our new shop. We just had having our 3rd year anniversary. This was our original site over here. And then right after Christmas, or right before actually, we got the keys to this side here. This is our customer lounge waiting room. If somebody wants to wait for a repair or they're getting an estimate. Through this door is the restroom. And you got another fridge and microwave for us. Snacks and stuff, and a TV. Gonna get in some DVDs and stuff for the customers. Got a little miscellaneous tool room in here. Our toolboxes, parts, clips, miscellaneous. Bunch of flat bars and shave tools and everything. Our PDR rolled around cart there has a bunch of tools on it. D-trim roll around box. Window kit up in there. Got a bend pack lift so we can raise the car up to the proper height. LED light, fluorescent light. This side in here we do our paint work, our spot work. Have another lift so we can lift the car to a better working height when you're spraying. And then we have in this room here, we have our Pro Spray mixing bank, an H2O system. Back behind the green filters is our HEPA filters. We have 3 of those, so it'll purify up to 6,000 cubic feet of air. Our spray curtains. So we can close this area, and then right through here another curtain will come. So we can have 2 separate spray areas. And here, this room in here, that's where our office is. Do our estimates and everything. Anyway, if you need anything, come give us a call, 619-726-6767, or you can check us out on one of our 2 websites, thedentdevils.com, or by typing in our phone number, 619-726-6767.com. You can also check us out on Facebook and Twitter. Okay, thanks.